This 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 343 BHTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Coachmen is 38 feet 4 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 10, LP detector, water heater, oven, leveling jacks, skylight, spare tire kit, CO detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, awning, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 343 BHTS is 8,620 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.